In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lines and arrows in Adobe Express. Now to do this, you first want to go to your design. You want to go to the top left here, hover over Add Content, and you want to click on Elements. In here where you can see shapes, you want to click on View All, and then in here you'll see under All Shapes there's going to be lines over here and then down here, as well as different arrows. So if you click on a line, for example, it's going to add the line. If you click on this one, it's going to add it, and then you have things like these arrows, which you can of course just click and they're going to get kind of put onto your canvas over here. And there's a bunch of different ones you can use, and that's the easiest way to add them. You can of course move them around, you can go and change their size, you can rotate them to change direction, etc. And of course here on the left you can go and change their border styles as well. So if I go and for example switch this one to bubble, it's gonna look like this. You can change thickness, colors, etc. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.